Okay, so this is a Neff compact appliance. It's 45 centimetres tall and 60 wide and pairs very well with a 60 centimetre oven to give you some extra features. This one in particular is a Circotherm main oven. It has a grill, but it also has a microwave. Now you can use the microwave just on its own, or you can add microwave to your other cooking to speed up the cook. You know, jacket potatoes, perfectly made, to crispy on the outside, fluffy on the inside, 24 minutes. A chicken that would normally take an hour and 50 minutes in an oven, done in 55 minutes. It's really nice in so much as it has touch control display. You can choose what type of cooking you want, microwave, fan assisted, grill. It even gives you an idea for meals. If you click into meals, it'll help you by saying, okay, you want poultry. You want to cook a poultry dish. Is it chicken, turkey, duck, goose, and ever onwards? I want chicken. And it's an unstuffed chicken, a whole chicken. You know, you just ask it and it will try to help you cook. This one is suggesting 210 degrees. And because this product has a thermometer, a meat probe inside, you can pop the meat probe into your chicken, plug it into the side of the oven, and when the internal temperature of the chicken reaches 85 degrees, it's perfectly cooked. Just really nice, simple solutions to your everyday cooking, just to guarantee you get the very best result possible.